from Southern Living and John, y'all. Today I'm going to be doing a chicken on the new Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. I'm going to hang it. I've done a video last weekend somewhere along there on sausage. Wasn't the best video in the world, so I'll make it up to you later on. I'll do a real one like I'm trying to do now. I've been on crutches. I got 4 fractures in my pelvis. No, I did not fall. Just went through prostate cancer a few years ago. All the radiation I had with seed implants putting off radiation weakened my pelvis. So I'm kind of limited on how long I can stand, but I'm getting along better. Let me get all my ingredients together, and I'll show you how I'm going to season up the chicken. Be right back. All right, y'all. We have about a 3.5 pound bird here. I'll open it up. Fresh from my local Piggly Wiggly. Do a lot of my meat shopping there. They have fairly decent meats. They don't have them big old giant chickens everybody gets. They got regular sized chicken. So I bought one here a few weeks ago. I was going to hang on there, but I wasn't able to, so my wife, I got it from Walmart, so my wife cooked it in the oven. It turned out good except the breast was tough. You know what? Alright. That's going to be good enough. I don't see many feathers. First thing I'm going to do is try to keep clean in. Whoops. I got some Pam here. I'm just going to give a little coat here. Nothing too fancy. That's it. Alright. Before I get putting the seasoning on, this is the meat hook I'm going to be using. I'll show it to you. Been wanting to do a reveal or whatever on the review on the grill. Let me try to put this, see if I can stab it through the back here without hurting myself. That's the wrist. Somewhere along in here. There it goes. Just like that. Alright. Got some Lowry's seasoning salt. Do a little sprinkle of that. A bit of lemon pepper. Oh, you need to get some lemon pepper. Either don't get enough, get too much. That's alright. It is what it is. Some other probably run off. I was going to inject this with some butter and all that, but I ain't got time. I don't feel like it. Alright, some more Lowry's. Don't have to trust it up or nothing. Good enough. One more lemon pepper. Took me a while to find this stuff while ago. Get my wings good. Real pat down. Sure had everything. There we go. This ought to be good enough. Alright. That's it for now. I'll see y'all at the grill in a few minutes. I got my pan here. Piece of tin foil, make clean up a little bit easier for me. Alright, y'all, stay tuned. I'll meet you at the grill in a few minutes. Alright, y'all. Time to start up the charcoal. Got my basket loaded up with cowboy lump charcoal. I'm going to light it from the top. I got a go on this, and the old style didn't have one. It's something that was needed. Trying to make it like the bigger Bronco. It's called the Pro. Yeah, that thing costs a couple of dollars. That's all I need to. This is the old mason jar, 91% isopropyl alcohol, cotton balls. Good fire starter. Basically, that's it. It's going to take about, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes maybe. Keep eye on the temperature now.
Don't do like I did on my last cooking. I let the fire get away from me, so I was cooking way too hot. I'm trying to watch it on this. Alright, I'll bring you back when it's time to put the chicken on. Alright, y'all, we get into about 200. I'm going to go ahead and shut this one down. I think you can see about one. It's on the intake, and leave one on top wide open. And actually, it's on three. It's going to be soaking up some oxygen here in a minute. We'll have to do the other day. Just got away with it. Let's see what the hand is better for. Drop it. Let's see. I could have got the top a little more. This thing also comes with a heat deflector. I'm leaving out today. I'm try it without it. And when the chicken's done, it comes with this little hook here. You just pick it up and put it back on the pan. Alright. That's going to be it. About an hour. It's going to take anywhere from about an hour and a half, 2 hours or so. Bring you back when I check it. Go enjoy an adult beverage. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, it's been about an hour. Let's check this thing out right quick. I did make one adjustment earlier, and with that lump charcoal, it burned so hot. I put the intake down on between the 0 and 1. Also, the same thing for the exhaust thing right here. But right now I got it completely shut off because it's getting way ahead of schedule. I don't know how well y'all can see that. But we're at 141. I'm shooting for a target temp of 165. It's been maintaining 250. We shutting it down a little bit. You got to get about 10-15 minutes for it to adjust. So I'm about down to 230 now. But I want to check this out right quick. Look at that. You want to see that? All the smoke and all that? Yeah, looks good now. Alright. When that juice drips off, it's supposed to flare up and give this meat a unique flavor. So we're going to see how this works out. My wife won't be home until about 6 o'clock this afternoon. So may have to put it in the oven. We've got the oven set right now. So let's see how this goes. I'll bring you back later. Alright, y'all. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes. Let's check this bird out. Holding my probe right there. Should be done. Shoot for 165. Pretty close. Let's see this out. Oh yeah. Close enough. What I'm fixing to do, so I can't pull this thing off without burning myself. Let's see how that goes. The wife ain't home yet. So you see the bird. I'm going to turn it up here. Where's the bird at? There it is. Take this probe out. Ooh, that's done. You just pull the bone out of the leg. You know what? What I'm going to do is stick this butter up. I'm going to wrap this thing in foil. Put them in the oven. Hopefully it won't dry out. So, let's see. Like this. Like, subscribe. Don't skim me up on comments or anything. I ain't no professional. Never claim to be. Let me get this in and put some foil on it, and I'll put it in the oven, and I'll bring you back for the taste test. Alright, y'all. Done. Time for the taste test.
Let's get this wing off there. Calling off, I see it. Piece of this white meat, this is what I'm worried about. I don't like white meat, I like dark meat. I don't know what y'all like. My wife likes white meat. Let's see how juicy it is. There we go. Of course, skin ain't crispy, but get this in. Remember, I pulled the leg bone completely out of this leg quarter a while ago. Look at it. Look how tender that is. Get some of this cut up here. Got a little butter in it. Be a smoke ring. Now, up where you see me. Try to. Oh, can you adjust this camera? Twist that handle. All right, whoa. All right, y'all. Here's white meat. Cheers, y'all. Mm-hmm. A little bit of salt. I'm going to try this old rubbery skin. Thought it'd be a little crispy. These are dark meat. I'll be my first cook on this grill. I mean, third cook. I mean, the dark meat is really tender and juicy. Cheers, y'all. One more. All right, y'all. That's it from that. I'm hungry. See y'all next time around.